Are you hurt by someone deeply and you're not able to let go of that hurt? Today, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to let go of that hurt today. Stay with me till the very end so that finally you can let go of this hurt, start healing, but not just healing. Listen, the mistake that people make is they get stuck at only healing. But what about evolving? Not only will I show you how to heal that hurt today and let go, but I'll show you exactly how to evolve to a person who doesn't get hurt again and again and again. Isn't that also important? Let's start. Step number 1. First, you must be thinking that I'm not able to let go of this hurt because this person keeps repeating this behavior with me. Or why does this person do this with me? Or when will this person stop doing this behavior? And because of that, you're constantly thinking about changing either the person or the situation, or somehow in your memory you're trying to say, I wish he would have not said this to me. And that is why you're not able to heal yourself. In our manifestation workshops, we teach people a very powerful technique called Ho'oponopono, which is made of 4 powerful statements. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And you probably must have heard of me saying this technique earlier. Many people have told me that they use Ho'oponopono repeatedly but are not getting the result. I'll tell you why. Because you're not using the technique correctly. When you use any technique without understanding the meaning behind it, the power of that technique does not fully come out. So let's understand how Ho'oponopono works and why it works. Step number 1 is for you to understand that whatever you are going through right now, the hurt that you're going through right now, is not because of that person. It's because you have a habit of being hurt. Now, hurt means what? Different ways of emotions can be there to be hurt, depending on who's watching this right now. Maybe you're hurt because somebody disappointed you. Maybe you're hurt because somebody made you angry. Maybe you're hurt because somebody broke your heart. Maybe you're hurt because somebody cheated you. Maybe you're hurt because somebody humiliated you. Different ways of hurt is being there. Now, whenever we are hurt, we are always thinking, how can I change that person? How can I change that situation so that I can stop being hurt in my life? Or why did that situation happen that hurt me? Correct? But the main reason you're hurt is because whatever is that emotion, you've got addicted to that emotion. That emotion is your habit. I know this may seem like I'm judging you. I'm not. I promise you. I'm telling you this because if you really need to heal, Ho'oponopono says, step 1 is identify the pattern so that you can heal it. Let me prove it to you. I know right now this may seem, come on Mitesh, this person abuses me every day and you're trying to tell me I am responsible? I am used to feeling abused? Yes. But let me prove it to you. Let me give you some logic around this. There are 2 proofs. Proof in the past and proof in the future. For an example, if you close your eyes for a second right now and whatever emotion you are struggling with, whatever hurt you are struggling with, close your eyes for a second and ask yourself, what is the earliest memory of feeling that hurt in your life? And I guarantee you, do it right now with me. Come on. Let's say you're disrespected and you felt humiliated by somebody. Just close your eyes right now. Go to the earliest memory of being disrespected and you'll find that maybe in your school time also you felt this. And in that environment, go back in that memory and check. When you felt that emotion, there were other people around you. They did not feel that emotion. Same situation, but they didn't feel it, you felt it. And from then till now, there are many, many situations where you have felt that kind of hurt in your life again and again and again. But that time, this person was not there. That time, this situation was not there. Then how come you had the same hurt? How come you had the similar feeling of hurt? Because somehow since then till now, you have practiced that hurt and it has become your habit. Think about it. If you've, answer this question right now. You've been feeling this kind of hurt for how many years in your life? Forget this person. Multiple people must have made you feel this, right? Multiple situations must have made you feel this, right? I'm sure you're nodding yes right now. I know you. Come on, think about it. How do I know you say? I'm a human being. I've gone through that too. I've also been hurt in my life. I also have emotional bad habits. Yeah, these are emotional bad habits. Ask yourself, you've had this emotional bad habit for how many years? Below this video in the comment section, I want you to actually tell me, I feel this emotion for so many years in my life. And let's check how many people are realizing what's your pattern. For how many years you've been stuck with this emotional habit? The moment you write that down, the moment you realize it, you will understand this person or this situation is not the only one. There have been many in the past. What does this prove? It proves I am responsible for my pattern. The first part of Ho'oponopono is I am 100% responsible for the way I feel. When you don't understand this and then you do Ho'oponopono, the statements don't mean anything to you, because half the time when you say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, your brain says, but why should I say sorry? He did this to me, she did this to me, this situation happened to me. And that's why Ho'oponopono doesn't work. So you must understand and write down what your patterns are, and always start Ho'oponopono by saying, I take 100% responsibility for feeling this emotional habit. And now, start the 4 statements. But before that, let me give you the proof in the future. You remember I said 2 kinds of proof? Proof in the past, proof in the future. The past proof I gave you. Now let me give you the future proof. Can you give me 100% guarantee that the current situation because of which you are hurt, whatever is that situation, whoever is that person, if I completely change that person, if I completely change that situation and make it ideal, positive, can you guarantee me you will never feel this emotion that you're feeling today for the rest of your life? What are you saying? I know you're thinking right now, because you know the answer is no. You will feel this emotion again. Because you do know, and you're realizing as we are speaking right now that this is your habit, right? This is proof number 2, that we are stuck in our own emotional bad habits, our emotional patterns. So now let's understand how to use Ho'oponopono to let go of this hurt. But can you now let go of this hurt without the step 1 of realization? No, you can't. That is why write down right now on your notepads. Take a notepad, write down. What are my emotions that I'm feeling for many, many years? And each emotion is different, so write it down. Humiliation, angry, frustrated, helpless. What are you feeling in life? If you want to really let go of that hurt, write it down. Okay? Now, before using Ho'oponopono, take one emotion at a time. Never use Ho'oponopono for all these combined emotions at the same time. Take one emotion, keep your hands on your heart, and now do this second step. Close your eyes and go into that memory where this person hurt you and feel that emotion. Sounds crazy, right? But do it. I'll tell you why. When you keep your hands on your heart and you close your eyes and you remember that memory where that person did this with you, relive that emotion as part of step 2. When you relive this emotion, I want you to scan your body consciously and think, where in my body am I feeling this emotion as a sensation? Check it. Some people feel it in their chest, they'll feel some heaviness. Some people feel it in their knees, some people feel it in their forehead. Some people feel it just warmth all over their face. Where are you feeling it? So check, where in your body are you feeling this emotion? The reason is, emotions live in your body. I want to give you proof that you're able to let go of this hurt. But to give you the proof, I first need to get the proof that the emotion is there in your body. So close your eyes and say that emotion to yourself. Feel that emotion again, relive it, relive that memory, and check where in your body are you feeling that sensation. Now open your eyes and write down on the notepad, on a level of 1 to 10, 1 being low intensity, 10 being high intensity, how much is the intensity of that emotion right now? Right, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, maybe even 10, doesn't matter. Write it down, okay? And now, here is what you do to let go of that hurt. Promise me that you will do it with me right now, and promise me that when you feel amazing after letting go of this hurt, which you will in a few minutes, I promise you, tell me in the comments below, how do you feel after that, okay? This will be my gift for you, but your gift for me will be your result. I look forward to reading it. Let's begin. Now keep your hands on your heart, close your eyes, and repeat this with me. If you can want, just listen to me, close your eyes and say what I'm saying. I take 100% responsibility for feeling this emotional habit. I take 100% responsibility for blaming that person or that situation for feeling this hurt. I now take 100% responsibility for the way I feel. I am sorry for feeling this emotion for so many years and hurting myself. I'm really sorry for believing that situation has to change for me to stop feeling this emotion. I'm sorry for remaining stuck with this emotion. please forgive me. For not realizing that I am the one who can heal myself. Please forgive me. For giving that power away to the other person, the other situation. Please forgive me for not taking 100% responsibility till now. Third statement, thank you. Thank you, universe, for giving me the courage and the wisdom to now let go of this hurt. Thank you for giving me the ability to let go of this hurt as a habit in all areas of my life, not only with this person, not only with this situation. Now think of that person, think of that situation and say thank you. Thank you for coming in my life and hurting me and reminding me this is my habit. I now love myself the way I am. Why do you need to say I love myself? Because the first person you judge when you feel hurt is, why did I let that person do this to me? You're judging yourself. So as part of hope, no, you need to also say I love you. So say it again. I love myself the way I am, even though I hurt myself. I love myself the way I am, even though I'm imperfect. I love myself the way I am, even though I might get hurt again in the future. I love myself. Now you say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Say 4 more times. Come on. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. 3 more times. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. 2 more times. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. 1 more time. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now close your eyes. Think of that memory again. Scan your body and check that sensation which was there in your body a few minutes ago. How does it feel now? Open your eyes and write down on the notepad what's the intensity of that emotion. And tell me in the comments below, did it go to 0 or it went down significantly? Even if it went down by 2 points or if it went to 0, we were able to do it in just 1 round. Imagine if you listen to this video again and again, this particular part where I did the healing with you. If you could do this again and again, wouldn't you be able to let go of this hurt? People say it takes years to forget a bad memory. It does not. You can let go of it very fast. I know people, and I'm telling you an extreme example right now. I know a lady who was physically abused by someone who's a family member multiple times. And because of that, even though now it had been 20 years to that memory, she was still living in the trauma every day. She got married, but when she joined our programs of Hope No, she told me that she had not hugged her husband for more than 2 years after our marriage. Imagine what kind of life she must be living. But this time, she made a decision that she's going to heal herself. She's going to let go of that hurt. We did this session called Advanced Hope No Healing with her, which is an experience of what I did with you today. She did it, and today, she's completely healed. She can now talk about that past memory just like a memory, not like a trauma anymore. And the proof is, she has an amazing relationship with her spouse today. In fact, one day, she was attending my daily magic practice workshop, and she was sharing this in front of 1,000 people who attend every day with us live. And she was saying, sir, you remember, I did not even hug my husband. Look, now I have a love bite. And I was like, Pagal, you're saying it in front of 1,000 people. But you see how suddenly her love became for her spouse so comfortable that she can talk about it because she was able to let go of that hurt. So listen, if in this extreme situation she can heal and let go, why can't you and I? We can, I promise you. Now, in case you want to continue this with me and you want to have an experience of healing with me, I'm giving you a gift. There's a link in this description below this video. Click on it, register, and there is an entire version of this called the Advanced Hope No Healing Experience. I also call it Tears of Joy Experience. When people come for that, and it's a completely free gift for you, you don't have to pay anything for it. Just register, come and attend live. In that Tears of Joy Experience, I promise this to people that when you come there, by the end of that, and keep 90 minutes free, okay? It's about 1.5 hour experience. At the end of it, you will sleep so peacefully that night that you've probably not slept for years in your life. Because at the end of that 90 minutes, you'll have 2 things. You'll have tears and you'll have joy. Tears of joy. because you let go of all that hurt that you've been collecting and consuming and feeling for a long period of time. Yes, it is possible to let go of hurt. You can either do it by watching this video again and again, go through the healing part, or come and do more healing with me. And we'll show you not only how to heal yourself, we'll show you how you can become a healer one day and help millions of people in the world. I'll see you soon in the next video.